Okay, so we're going to do a demo now, which is always my most nervous part of the presentation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to a Firefox session. And what we've got is actually a demo page showing how our viewability technology works. We've got two types of methods here. We've got the geometric and optimization method for display, and then we've also got the video viewability events. I'm going to just show you the geometric and optimization techniques within Firefox, and then I'm going to switch to Chrome and show you the differences between those two, because I mentioned that the browser environments work very differently. So if I click on that, what you can see is in a Firefox environment, we're measuring with both technologies, and they're both saying in view. And hopefully when I scroll this ad, they both say out of view. The other thing that's interesting to note is that if I toggle the iframe size and I stuff that ad into a 1:1 impression, the geometric method still thinks it's in view. That's a fraudulent impression. There's no opportunity of that ad ever being seen. So any company or any vendor or any person who is measuring viewability on your behalf that is only using a geometric or a direct measurement approach will be calling ads that are served into 1:1 iframes in view. That ad has no opportunity of ever performing. So your attribution models become skewed and everything else becomes, kind of incorrect. If I go back to that and I open a new tab, and I'm assuming, working in my Facebook account or my Google account, and then I flip back to here, if you look quickly, the optimization was measuring it as out of view. And then the minute I flip back, it was in view. Geometric never picked that up. So it's important when you start thinking about the nuances of how a user interacts with the machine and with the web pages that it's looking at, which techniques are actually measuring viewability accuracy. This is more than just a way to clamor money back from a publisher or figure out how you can reconcile and get make goods. This is a way that people are going to start optimizing campaigns and planning for future campaigns. All right, so now I'm going to flip over to Chrome, which, as we mentioned, does not support geometric. And so what happens here is we just say we don't know, right? We don't say it's out of view. We say we don't know. And that's a big difference, right? Because people who are using geometric methods to measure in Chrome and not using the optimization method typically will say it's out of view, which means you, again, skew your measure rate or your viewable rate. So the browser optimization says it's in view. Hopefully when we scroll this out of view, it says it's out of view, and you can actually see that it's slightly slower in terms of its response rates, and that's got to do with the way we're asking browser questions. And then when we move it back into view, it says it's in view again. Similarly, when we open a new tab and we go back, it comes back into view. And then finally, if we toggle the iframe, it functions the same way as it does in Firefox or IE, where it says that it is out of view.